Got the kind of vibe you never let go. She know what to do to make a man go up and down, up and down, up and down.
Alright, so hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Anna here, period. I'm about to put my hair back. We'll pin it back just a little so that y'all can see my face just like this. There we go. Still looking cute. That's one period. Alright, so for this makeup look, I'm gonna do my cotton candy eyeshadow. Yep, but I'm gonna start off with my eyebrows first. So what I'm using is e.l.f.'s Instant Lift Brow Pencil. Hope that's not upside down. Y'all see that? And it's in the shade Neutral Brown. Yeah, it's in the shade Neutral Brown. Now I'm gonna do my eyebrows. This is gonna be a fast forward, so tune in. Now I'm gonna get into these brows, cut them up with my Milani Conceal and Perfect concealer in shade 170. Alright, so now I'm gonna go in with my P. Louise base limited edition. What shade is this? It's shade number 2, rumor number 2. Get into my James Charles palette, and I'm gonna be using the shade brightest pink in this palette, and I'm gonna use this blue. Yes, and maybe a little bit, just a tad bit of this purple. I'm gonna use a shimmer, this purple pinky shimmer.
Now it's time to cut the crease. Period.
this is the finished look. I think I put on a little bit of too much blush, but this is a look, okay? For cotton candy. If anything, I should have put a little bit of blue on my top lip. Cotton candy, baby. Cotton candy. Cotton candy. And that's on period. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching. These videos will be getting better. It does take some time. But I got some new videos coming for y'all. Actually, I have a hair video and a Q&A coming soon, so that's 2 videos. They will be done by next week. So yeah, I will have those posted by next week. I'm gonna figure out which days on what to post, like when to post, because I know I have a problem with like posting on specific days. Like I'll say that I'll post on this day and then I'll post on that day, and it's just like all over the place. But since I'm home and ain't got nothing to do, I can, you know, make my videos whenever I want to, whenever I can, and upload them, edit them, you know, all of that. And yeah, I'm really feeling this. Period. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and stay tuned for my next video. And also stay safe, guys, out here in these streets, in y'all cars, in y'all homes. Make sure whenever y'all get a package, y'all spray it down, and just stay safe. Keep y'all precautions high up there so y'all don't get sick. Oh, I just realized I didn't even put on no lashes, but it's cool. It's cool. Give me 1 second. I can't find my freaking eyelash glue or my hair glue that I use for my lashes. I'm so mad, but this is a look. Eyelashes or no lashes, this is a freaking look. I could probably put on some mascara. Nah, I'm gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna go outside just like this. This is mad cute. But if you did this look and you forgot to put on lashes and you may not know eyelash glue and ain't realize it until after you're done with your makeup, just put on some mascara and you're good to go. But yeah, this is a whole look. I'll see y'all later. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next videos. Like, come on now. Okay? Okay. Alright, see y'all later.